Hello, my name is Alexey. In previous video tutorial we create responsive multi-language online store from scratch and upload it to the hosting. In my blog there are free video lessons about different objects for website X5. In this video tutorial we'll look at new version of program 2019.2. I will compare this version with the previous one 2018.1. Let's start with biggest upgrade, row fall high. Let's see our page without this option. This is our main page. Look at these rows. Pay attention to the high of these rows. Now let's go to row format, and here we can see new tab, full high. Let's enable it. I will disable these options. And now we have this result. The height of each row become the same high as my window. Let's enable this option. I need just to scroll down and the program will switch to another row. Let's enable scroll down buttons. There are different buttons. We can set always visible and visible on mouse over. Let's see. We have this button. We can click on it and move to the next row. I will disable auto scrolling. Show navigation buttons. We have different styles. We can choose alignment, left or right. Here is our scroll buttons. We can switch through different rows. So that's how full high is work. In Pro version now we have opportunity to send order confirmation email before or after payment is complete. Go to shopping cart, send an order, and here we can see new options. We can change this option and change the text of the email, and we can choose when to send our order confirmation email. Also, image library was updated. We can see different styles for icons, for pushing process, and for other icons for shopping cart. Also, we have new blog settings in Contents tab. Developers add a control panel that allows you to copy blog post and search for one you need. Here we can copy, we can cut, or we can search. For example, it's search by title and by category. Also, we have two new types of blogs. It's called outer and image. The first one, author, display the author of the blog post, and the second, image, you can choose image or upload it and set a link, any action. Let's see our blog. Here is author of our articles. We can click on it and see all of his articles. Also, we can see the image. We can click and go on another page. Let's see another feature. In the properties of each page, on the graphic tab, you can now hide the header or the footer of the template. Header, we can hide. Footer, we also can hide. And let's see the preview. Here we can see our page without header and without footer. Let's show them. Now we can see them. Also, there are several changes in upload the website to internet. Here we can see website address. It moved here from General tab. Now, when we connect to the server, the version of PHP is checking. Let's connect. Checking PHP. And now we cannot see file management. We start export process in one click. Developers removed the file management phase and move it here. You can click here and see your files on hosting. You can create folders, upload, rename, and so on. In the next video, we will talk about useful objects and settings that will help you in working with the program.